बहुत खूबसूरत हो.
This is my first time in Tadoba after many years of planning and trying to come here. Finally, मेरा आना हुआ है यहाँ पर और all I can say is that everything I have heard about this place, the expectation, the hype, and just how beautiful it is, how gorgeous the sightings are, everything is only like less than what it actually is. I am blown away by the beauty of this, this arid, deciduous forest, the kind of a landscape it is. It has about 47 water bodies, the variety of flora and fauna, and the kinds of sightings we've had. The way I've seen tigers here, I have never ever seen, yet on any of my safaris. And not just the tigers, but I got to see wild dogs for the first time in my life. I got to see just so many beautiful sightings of animals up close and just the way they are. It's been an incredible experience, and I'm so grateful to the forest department here with the way they have looked after me and my family, and I want to also thank them personally for the kind of work they are doing and the kind of the kind of impact they are making on conserving wildlife, on protecting the environment, the way they follow the rules here. This is the first time I was given glass bottles with water at the entrance. We're always carrying our bottles, etc. But they want to have zero plastic, no plastic footprint in this park. I think it's an incredible initiative. And they also prohibit the use of mobile phones, which, as a common person can sometimes be a little bit worrying because you want to capture moments and things. But personally, the biggest takeaway I had from that as a rule is that it takes away the aggression and the anxiety when a lot of people together are, watching an animal up close, especially when there's a tiger sighting. There tends to be a lot of anxiety and nervousness, and, that can just sometimes take away the experience for a lot of other people and scare the animal. So I feel like as a rule that they're trying to follow here and really impose in such an effective, mindful way, I find that to be incredible. So my compliments to the entire forest departments, everyone working in the forest, on ground, behind the scenes. You guys are doing such a brilliant job. My compliments to Mr. Shukla, Mr. Pathak, Mr. Reddy, everyone who's doing their best with their teams. Just wonderful, and I can't wait to come back to Tadoba and, as one of the wonderful forest officers said, come back for the tiger rush. And now I'm set for my next safari, so have a wonderful new year, and I can't wait to be back.